Hello, I'm Mr. Sullivan. I'm the auto collision instructor here at Upper Bucks County Technical School.
Hello, Mr. Sullivan. What skills are essential for students looking to excel in your program?
Well, you need to have the high attention to detail and the ability to quickly problem solve.
So what are some of the technical skills that students learn in your program?
First and foremost, safety. As a level 1, you also learn basic hand tool use and you'll learn introduction to collision repair. If you follow me, I can show you what the more advanced students learn. So over here is what our level 2s begin with. They learn how to do plastic welding. They'll repair cracks like this using our nitrogen plastic welder. So what they do is they heat it up using the torch and press plastic into it and melt it all together. That way they'll repair the crack or any damage and they can make the part like new. Then we'll move on to metal welding. So they learn everything from aluminum and steel welding to steel brazing. So here's an example of some of the steel welding that they perform. They also learn how to metal straighten. So let's go take a look at that. So this is the hood that one of my students is currently working on. They straighten the metal out and now they're learning how to apply body fillers. After they finish the body filler, they'll learn how to spray high build primer. This will give it that flawless finish. And then as level 3 students, they'll actually learn how to perform custom paint jobs, and they'll also learn how to perform factory paint jobs to make it look brand new. So let's go take a look at our paint booth. So this here is our downdraft spray booth where students spray the actual paint. So here's an example of one of our students' work.
So what are some potential career pathways for your students?
So students can go on to be body technicians. They can also go on to be painters. And if they're want to be less hands-on, they can go into the field of estimating, so they can write the damage repair reports, or they can even work for insurance companies as appraisers.
Do students typically go right into the workforce, or do they continue on with their education?
Yes, students leave here with the certifications required to go right into the workforce. Most employers in this industry will pay for continuing education, so they'll take more courses as they're working.
So what is the coolest piece of equipment in your shop?
Well, follow me and I'll show you. This is our frame rack. It uses lasers to measure the car in a 3-dimensional space. As you can see, we can place this laser here. And it uses these targets that are hanging underneath to detect where the vehicle's at in the 3-dimensional space. It also has 3 10-ton brams to pull the vehicle back within specification.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.